Flower Mechanic here, and just want to do a quick video on how to remove the grill from a Toyota Tundra. As you can see, we already have it out. There are 4 10mm bolts on the top and 2 push pins that you take out. Once you get those out, all you have to do is give it a nice firm tug, and there's just some push and tab fittings here that just pull out here. It feels like it's bolted when you initially get it undone, but it's actually not. And then there's just some hook clips up here. No disassembly, you just pull these, give them a nice tug, and they pull out. And here's what the tabs look like on the actual grill itself. There's 1, 2, 3. Then they just have these little hooks on the end that just pull out. And there. And you're also going to have this one connector for the crash sensor, I believe it is. And you can see your 10mm bolt, 10mm bolt, 10mm bolt there. And then just the 2 push pins on the side. And that's it. Pretty easy.